Hello friends, today we have another cup syrup. The name is Ambroxy. Ambrox Mucolite cup syrup is manufactured by Wockhardt. This cup syrup has a chemical formula of levosalbutamol sulfate, ambroxyl hydrochloride, glycine expectorant. This cup syrup has a price of 83 rupees, 24 months of expiry from the date of manufacturing. This ambroxyl work to relieve the cough and to cough with mucus. The work, how this chemical work is, this cough syrup made up of 3 medicine: ambroxyl, levosalbutamol, and glycine, which relieve the cough with mucus. Ambroxyl is mucolite with thinning and loosen the mucus, while the other levosalbutamol is a bronchodilator. It works by relaxing the muscles in the airway and widen airway. Glycine is an expectorant which decreases the thickness of mucus and help in the removal from the airway. Together they make breathe easier. These chemical have some side effect. It will some having nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, stomach upset, stomach pain, allergic reaction, dizziness, headache, and some muscle cramp also. This drop medicine. Please take this medicine with reference with doctor. Do not take so much. This will provide this. I will show you this medicine provides one cup to measure the medicine.